Over to news from Tamil Nadu, where in the run-up to the assembly elections, the DMK is taking pot shots at superstar Rajinikanth, who just recently announced that he's finally taking the political plunge. Interestingly, the DMK hasn't named him, but in the official mouthpiece, Murasoli, they've referred to Rajinikanth as an instant politician. Days earlier, Thalaiva announced that he will be launching his political party in January next year. The DMK article listed alleged corruption cases that took place during the MGR regime and claimed that Rajini ignored them. It added that those who willfully ignored those scams are now pledging to give a corruption-free government. The AIADMK had also attacked the superstar over his political plunge. A key aide of Rajinikanth had earlier added that Rajini will not align with any of the Dravidian parties, with either the DMK or the AIADMK. And listen into exactly what Rajini's political advisor Thamizarive Maniyan had to say when he spoke really about the superstar's political ideology.
Secular and spiritual will definitely go hand in hand, no doubt in it. It is going to be happened. It would be the real achievement of Rajinikanth. You are just going to see that.
Akshay Nath is joining us live from Chennai with more details. So on this, Akshay, the DMK interestingly has referred to Rajini as an instant politician. But if you read this particular article in the mouthpiece Murasoli, it's largely targeted at the AIADMK over graft and corruption charges against the AIADMK. So when they drag in Rajini, is the DMK essentially hinting at an alliance between Rajini and AIADMK that they're ready to take on?
Well, Akshita, from the time that Rajinikanth had launched his political party, where he has said that, on 31st he will be talking about the due course of it, we're seeing that there has been a lot of speculation, a lot of targeting that has been happening against the superstar. In fact, right from the time that there was realization that one of those close aides of Rajinikanth who was standing by him when he was making that announcement, Arjuna Murthy, who is a BJP personality who was with the BJP earlier, has called out for a lot of people criticizing the actor and also starting the speculation as to what really Rajinikanth's stand would be. Is Rajinikanth going to align with the BJP and the AIADMK is something that has been speculated for quite some time now, and especially after his announcement a few days back. Currently what we can understand is that the DMK in its mouthpiece Murasoli has also lashed out at Rajinikanth in a way of calling him an instant politician, because very interestingly, Rajinikanth has not done any kind of groundwork. He has not gone to constituencies and campaign. These were intentions that Rajini had, and in fact he spoke about it during his announcement, but he was not able to do any of it. Now that he's saying that he's going to become a politician, his party will be contesting the 2021 polls. The big question of him being called instant politician comes into play, and DMK is very clearly lashed out at him while targeting the AIADMK. The article predominantly talks about Jaikumar and the AIADMK's alleged corruption charges, and that is what we're seeing now. Is Rajini going to be also a target in it is something that people can watch, Akshita.
All right, Akshaya, thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.